While their friends are drowning in student loan debt, these 22-year-olds are pulling in six figures with no college degree. No massive debt, just skilled hands and smart career moves. I'm JV Charles, and after 30 years in the trades, from swinging hammers in the Carpenters Union to inspecting vehicles at the UAW, I'm going to show you why Gen Z might just be the smartest generation yet when it comes to career choices. And if you're new here, welcome to JV CharlesTV, where we talk about real careers that pay real money without burying you in debt. And if you've been thinking about the trades but don't know where to start, stick around, because I've got something for you at the end you're going to love. Now let's talk about what's actually happening out there, because while the media keeps pushing the "you need a college degree" narrative, Gen Z is quietly rewriting the rule book. Hit that subscribe button if you want more content on high-paying careers that don't require a 4-year degree. Well, here's the reality check that nobody wants to talk about. The average college graduate in 2024 is leaving school with over $30,000 in student loan debt, and that's just an average. Many are sitting at $50,000, $75,000, or even $100,000 or more. Meanwhile, they're graduating into a job market where entry-level positions requiring a bachelor's degree are paying, what, $40,000 or $45,000 a year? Let me do the math real quick. 4 years of college, let's say $30K in debt. Entry salary of $45K, and then after taxes, you're taking home maybe $35,000 a year. Now subtract rent, car payment, food, basic living expenses. How long is it going to take for you to pay off that debt while actually building a life? Compare that to someone who starts at apprenticeship at 18. They're getting paid to learn, making $35 to $45 grand in a year with raises every single year. And by the time their college friends are graduating, they've got 4 years of experience with zero debt, and they're already making $60 or $70K a year or more. And Gen Z, they're doing the math. They're watching their millennial siblings struggle with debt. They're seeing opportunity costs, and they're making different choices. So what's driving this shift? It's not just about the money, though we'll get to those numbers in a second. But it's about lifestyle, stability, and honesty. It's about being smart. Here's reason number one. They value financial freedom. Gen Z watched the 2008 recession mess up their parents. They saw it firsthand. They watched millennials drown in debt. They're not interested in starting their adult lives $50,000 in the hole. They want to build wealth, buy homes, start families, and they can't do that when they're making minimum payments on a student loan for 20 damn years. Here's reason number two. Job security is real. You know what can't be outsourced? Your local electrician, or your plumber, or your HVAC tech. These jobs are here, and they're local, and they're not going anywhere. So after 30 years in industry, from project management to estimating to where I am now as a UAW inspector, I can tell you this firsthand. Skilled trades are recession resistant. People always are going to need their electricity fixed, their pipes working, and their heat running. Now here's reason number three. Faster path to success. In most trades, you can't start earning decent money within months. Get into an apprenticeship, you're making money while you're learning. And most journeyman licenses take 3 to 4 years, half the time of a bachelor's degree. And at the end, you're not just educated, you're experienced, you're certified, and you are valuable. Now check out reason number four, entrepreneurship opportunities. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Trades give you the fastest path to owning your own business. And after you get your journeyman license, get a few years under your belt, you can go out on your own. You can set your own rates and build your own company. I've seen 30-year-old electricians running six-figure businesses. That's not a pipe dream, that's a pattern. All right, let's talk about actual salaries for a minute, because this is where it gets interesting. Electricians, a medium salary is around $60,000, but experienced union electricians, $80,000 to $120,000, not including overtime. Plumbers, you're talking $55,000 to $75,000 medium, and master plumbers easily clearing $90,000 to $120,000. HVAC technicians, $50 to $70 grand starting, and senior techs, $80,000 to $100,000. Welders, specialized welders, underwater pipeline, $70,000 to $150K. Elevator mechanics, $80K to $100K. One of the highest paid trades, ironworkers, $60,000 to $90 grand. High-rise specialists, even more. And remember, these numbers are without student loan debt eating into your paycheck every month. But here's what really blows people's minds. Overtime in the trades, overtime is common, especially in union jobs. Time and a half, double time on Sundays, or even holidays. I've known guys clearing 120 to 140K because they're willing to work the hours. You show me a college degree that guarantees those numbers with 4 years less time and zero debt. Oh wait, didn't think so. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. JV, this sounds great, but I don't even know which trade is right for me. There are so many options, I get it. And that's exactly why I want to tell you about something I've been recommending to people who ask me this question all the time. It's called Course Careers. And here's why I actually believe in this. They offer free introduction courses that let you explore different trade careers without spending a dime up front. You can literally try before you commit. But the part I really like, they have a free quiz that helps match you with trades that fit your skills, interests, and personality. Because here's the truth, from my 30 years in this industry, not every trade is right for every person. Some people are natural problem solvers who thrive as electricians. Others are hands-on builders who belong in carpentry. And some folks love working with precision and would excel as welders or pipe fitters. Course Careers helps you figure that out before you invest time and money into a path that might not fit you. I've got the link in the description below. Start with their free quiz, check out their intro courses, and see what resonates with you. There's literally no risk, it's free to get started and explore, and look, I'm an affiliate, so full transparency here. If you decide to go further with their paid courses, I might earn a small commission, but I wouldn't recommend something I didn't believe in. This is about helping you make informed decisions about your future. Now, before you think I'm saying trades are all sunshine and rainbows, let me be straight with you. This work isn't easy. It's physically demanding. You're on your feet all day. You're working in heat, cold, and sometimes dangerous conditions. Your body takes a beating over time. But here's what I've learned in 30 years. Every career has trade-offs. The college grad sitting at a desk for 40 years, they've got carpal tunnel, back problems, and health issues from sitting all day. The lawyer working 80-hour weeks, stress, burnout, health problems. But in the trades, you stay active. You see tangible results from your work every single day, and you go home knowing you built something, fixed something, or made something work. And yeah, your body works hard, but your bank account works harder. And you're not mentally fried from student loan stress or wondering if your degree was even worth it in the first place. Here's what this is really about. Gen Z is rejecting the one-size-fits-all model that told everyone college or bust. They're asking better questions. What's the return on investment? How fast can I start earning? And what's my quality of life going to be? Can I actually afford to live the life I want? And they're finding that the trades answer those questions better than a lot of traditional degree paths. From where I sit, after working as a union carpenter and running project management, estimating $1 million jobs, and now inspecting the UAW, I can tell you that skilled trades have given me an incredible career, financial stability, and the ability to provide for my family, respected my community, and I'm seeing more and more young people, especially Gen Z, figuring this out early. They're not waiting till they're 75K in debt to realize there was a better path. So here's what I want you to do. Number one, if this video opened your eyes at all, hit that like button and subscribe to JV CharlesTV. We're building a community here of people who are serious about high-paying careers without college trap. Now, number two, check out the Course Careers link in the description. Take the free quiz, explore the intro courses, and figure out which trade might be your path. And number three, drop a comment for me and let me know. Are you into trades? Thinking about the trades? What's holding you back? I read every comment and I love hearing from your stories. And if you're a Gen Z or watching this, know that you're making smart moves by even considering the alternatives. Don't let anyone shame you for choosing a different path. The trades built this country and they're gonna keep building your future. I'm JV Charles. I spent decades in the industry and I'm telling you, the skills trade are where it's at. College is not the only way, and sometimes it's not even the best way. I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there and thanks for watching, guys.